Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a Close All button to the toolbar in Microsoft Word, so that way you could close all of the documents you're working on without closing Word. And then we'll also show you how to add a Close a Document button as well. So of course you could go up here and just click on the X and that will close the current document. But back in older versions of Word, if you remember, we used to have a secondary X down here that would close the document you're working on, and then the one at the top would close Word altogether. So of course you could just come here if you want to close the document you're working on. And of course you could come here, right click, and choose Close All Windows. But that'll also close Word as well. All right, so let me open up these documents real quick here. All right, so what we're going to do is from the Quick Access drop down here, we're going to go to More Commands. And then from here, we're going to choose All Commands. And we'll just type in a C to go down to C and look for Close. All right, you'll see there are a bunch of them here, and actually some of these will do the same thing. So I don't know why they have multiple items here. So here's the Close All we're going to add. You can see there's another one here. Not sure why there's two of them, but I'm sure there's a reason. And then we have the Close File. Then you can see we have some other ones, Close or Exit, and so on. So let's add Close File as well. Click OK. All right, so now we have these. Unfortunately, they are the same icon. But I mainly wanted to point out that you could add this here, but you're probably just fine doing this. All right, so now we could either close the current document here. Now we have two open. Let me open it back up here. Or if we click here, we could close all the documents and leave Word open, like so. So that's something you can't do by right-clicking and close all down here, or close all windows. All right, so let me open these up again real quick. All right, then if you change your mind, you can come back here, back to More Commands, get rid of the one you don't want. Let's say we don't want Close File here. And then, of course, you could come here and change the toolbar position if you want it below the ribbon. All right, so now we have our one icon back for Close All. All right, so as you can see, it's pretty easy to do, and there are a lot of other commands you might want to add to your Quick Access Toolbar, so you can just kind of browse through them and try some of them out. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.